என்னோட இதயத்திலிருந்து
Music room.
ஓகே
Thank you very much for your love and affection, and I'll keep it very safe. Hello. இன்னைக்கு வந்து புரட்சி தலைவர் பொன்மனச் செம்மல் நம்முடைய முன்னாள் முதல்வர் டாக்டர் எம்ஜிஆர் இறந்து 33 ஆண்டுகளாகுது. How do you feel about his loss?
About his loss, it's sad, boss.
It's the greatest loss to the Tamil Nadu state. Oh, we are going to the memorial house. Oh, நினைவு இல்லத்துக்கு போறோம். Okay.
Official residence when he was a chief minister. I've gone there to give lunch for him.
Okay. It's a sad day today. 33 years from the death of the greatest living legend of filmdom as well as Tamil Nadu. Boss, today you're the real successor or heir to Dr. MGR. In the current situation where every politician is claiming a legacy to MGR, what is your feel among the people? So like everybody's AIDMK, the people who are right now left, Edapadi or OPS, they are claiming a legacy. The DMK, in their own way, say that they are also claiming a legacy of MGR. Now, the two new guys who have come, Kamal Hassan as well as Rajinikanth, are claiming a legacy. According to you, among the four, I know nobody can truly claim his legacy. Among the four, who can deserve to, take a little of his ideas, policies, and principles to the people?
Okay. MGR was a phenomena. He is not a part of any political party.
Okay, so everybody can claim.
Even though he was a part of ADMK or DMK,
Okay.
before ADMK he was a part of DMK.
Okay.
Any person who wants to help other people, any person who wants to give a clean government, any person who wants a democratic government, anybody who wants to fill the stomach of the hungry people, anybody who wants to selflessly do something for others. Anybody can claim MGR's legacy.
This is somewhere close by Shivaji
This is Shivaji Ganeshan's house.
This is Shivaji Ganeshan's house,
Yeah,
and
see?
okay, and MGR's house a little further.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you can see the AIDMK flag fluttering across, that's the building. Boss, vanakkam boss. How are you? எப்படி தெரியாம இருக்கும். Raja, known as Dileepan, a very popular actor who was introduced by Mr. Bharati Raja, and uncle of our Talevar, Mr. Kumar Rajendra ji. Mr. Raja Dileepan taking blessings from Dr. MGR just before he went for his shooting, and right now he's here. This is the entrance. Always.
When we started the memorial.
Okay.
This building was already, this is the old building and this is the new part of the building.
Okay. This is the main hall, the entrance. Oh, this is the car that he was driving around. The hall is full of awards given to him, memorabilia given to him, mementos given to him.
This mango, no? It was
Okay.
made of gold.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
It is unbelievable the number of awards, the number of mementos that were given to this great man. Where did he preserve all this?
The house.
So many, my God.
It was given by the management of Dinatandi.
Dinatandi.
Yeah.
Okay.
So they compared MGR as
Aparivalan.
Yeah.
They are opening the car of MGR. Looks like there was a television set also there inside at that time. And this was where he used to sit, is it?
Yeah.
This was the place where he used to sit, and it's still preserved beautifully. Same building was made specifically to store all the memorabilia of Dr. MGR. Can you tell us what this hall is all about? This is the weightlifting equipment, the Karla Kattai that MGR used to do exercises. Dumbbells used by MGR, the weights. Wow.
And
the barbell. The barbell, the dumbbell. Yeah, the barbell. Okay, there is a kind of a sculpture of MGR with his bodybuilding. This is the sculpture which was gifted to him by Jayalalitha, the former chief minister. This finds place in many pictures, in many photographs, historic pictures. Merit Silva, the picture of Annai Satya, MGR's mom. This hall, you can actually live through the years of MGR. Every single memento must have been blessed by his hands, divine hands. He must have received it. And I can see that there is some clothes. Oh, this is the dress that he wore when he got his doctorate? Probably? Wow. This is the convocation dress that MGR wore when he got his doctorate. There is a picture of him with the dress on also. And we can see some shoes, slippers, television remote. Okay. Scissors, torchlight that he used. Okay.
And then the dagger that he used to have.
He used to always have this dagger? Oh, so MGR is known to have this dagger with him always. MGR carried a dagger with him always to protect himself, and this is precisely the dagger that he had kept it with himself all the time. Sure. Okay.
Each step denotes each movie that he acted in.
Oh.
The name of the movie is engraved in it.
Oh, the name of the movie is engraved.
And these are
Can you see the name of the movies? Asai Mugham, Aayirathil Oruvan, Enga Veettu Pillai, Kalangarai Vilakkam, Kannithai. All the movies that MGR acted, this is a beautiful sculpture gifted to him. It looks like a film roll, at the same time it looks like a staircase. This is an amazing memorabilia, trust me. MGR must have been very happy taking it. If you can see a mini TV, this was just a little screen, 1972, and that's another television screen, which you can see, held like a radio. MGR was a lover of animals and birds, and he was gifted 2 lions during his lifetime. One of the lions has been embalmed and kept here. This is talking about 60 years. This has been, and this stays immortalized, embalmed in the MGR Memorial House. I'm absolutely honored to have one of the most important memorabilia of MGR, the sword he used to practice with, and I think he has acted in many movies with the same sword. This is mind-blowing. Holding the sword that the legendary MGR held himself. The world was shocked when M.R. Radha, another actor who used to act as villains in this movie, shot him with a revolver. And in this room we have the bandage that MGR actually used to cover his neck and his shoulders. Bandage, the cast that MGR used when he was shot by M.R. Radha. Where we have some leopard skin, we have many of the awards that he won, the books that he used to read, all of them are here. This was the visitors' room where he used to entertain people. The room where MGR used to meet people. He had a good collection of books.
In those days, they needed to have a license.
Oh, really?
To
Okay.
watch the TV. So see the license.
Oh, he had a license to watch television.
Yeah, see.
Wow, look at that. The telephone that he used,
This is another
the tape recorder that he used, the clock, another huge picture of his mother, father, Mr. Mardur Gopala, painting of his mom. One among the books that MGR has is called The Epidemics, the story of mankind's most lethal and elusive enemies from ancient times to the present. At that time itself, he had this premonition that someday an epidemic is going to hit the world. Okay.
So he would have heard about that.
Sattunarvam Valli Puttaka Nilayam. It's about the nutrition. Into the office room in his official residence that he used. right opposite to where he used to sit, he used to have his mother's photograph. This is probably from where he would have sat and met people. So this is the view MGR would have had when meeting people. This is the chair where MGR used to sit. Amazing room. Though it's very small by present standards, at that time it must have been a great place where the powerful and the popular came and met MGR. Official room of MGR, the cap, the legendary cap that he wore. This is the Best Actor Award, Bharat. That's the actual award, the Bharat Award. A sequential chronological order of all the movies that he's acted in from 1936. The first movie that he acted was Sati Leelavati, till 69, 75, and I think probably the last movie that he acted, Madurai Meet Sundarabani in 1977.
This is a letter written by Jawaharlal Nehru. Letter written by Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, first President of India. This is a letter written by
Rajiv Gandhi.
Rajiv Gandhi, the last letter. It was framed and kept near his bed before when he passed away.
Rajaji. Raj Kapoor, wow. This is the dark glasses that MGR used to wear and the legendary cap, the pens that he used and the watch that he used to wear. Seiko watch that he used to fashion in his hands, which are very important. MGR doing yoga, sitting in the Padmasana position with the fingers in Dhyan Mudra.
This is a letter of late Anna written to the people who want to aspire to join politics. So it's very relevant even today. So it reads, Dear brother, go to the people, live among them, learn from them, love them, serve them, plan with them, start with what they know, build on what they have. To those who want to engage themselves in public service. C. N. Annadurai.
Kumar Rajendran with and his family with Dr. MGR and Kumar Rajendran now, right now. 33rd death anniversary, visiting the residence of MGR was a very memorable time. House full of his memories, memorabilia, and all the days that he lived here, just a memory. This place must have been echoing with the cries of hundreds and thousands of his fans, and cars lining up this place, and throngs of people visiting his residence. Today, there is serenity, quietness after the many, many years of storm. Very, very melancholic. Can't believe that this great man lived here, and I'm very, very happy, proud and honored to actually visit a few places that others are also not allowed to go. And thank you very, very much. It was most memorable. Till we catch you again in another episode, it's a bye from me and a bye from Kumar Rajendran.
Bye.
So this is the Innova Crysta, is it? How good is the car? Among the many cars, which is the most